What kind of community is found in the city? An urban community. People who live in urban areas love the convenience of having everything being so close.
Living in the city means everything's close by. Where you eat, where you play, where you shop, where you live. It's all right here.
Busy streets, museums, parks, apartment buildings, buses, trains, and skyscrapers are found in urban communities.
I love these doors.
Casey likes to come to the city with his mom. They enjoy shopping, sightseeing, and people watching. The city is a busy place.
Lots of people come in and out of the city every day. Public transportation is an easy way to get around. Hurry, Mom, we'll miss the train.
People also get in and out of the city by driving their own cars. The streets in the city can get pretty crowded. If you're coming to the city, you have to remember to be patient.